Hi, Judd here. Quick little cooking with Judd because I'm almost out of stuff and I'm hungry. And my alarm didn't go off, so my burger got way overcooked. And but we're going to do something special with it tonight. I've got the blue cheese and the wing sauce. I'm going to leave the burger whole, put it between two tortillas, which should be ready about now, and put blue cheese on one side, wing sauce on the other side, and I think that might be pretty tasty. We'll see how that goes. Well, that one's a little stiffer. I'm going to put that on the bottom. Okay. Okay, we'll put a dollop of that. Now, eating in tortillas, you get a lot of squeeze out, so we don't want to put too much on there. Okay. And the burger looks good, but I think it's going to be very well done. Okay, sitting right in there. And we'll throw salt, because you know I love salt. And then we'll throw a wee bit. And this is going to be hard. This is a very runny sauce. Going to try to put a little bit. Boom. Okay, and again, this is the extra mild wing sauce because Judd's old man tummy doesn't like hot anymore. Judd's tongue loves hot, but you got to go with the tummy these days. Okay, and there we go. So there's my, oh, it's in, it already squirted out. Okay, so there's my chicken wing burger. You can give that a shot for yourself at home. Some of you have probably already done that at home, haven't you? Okay, happy day to you.
I didn't expect you. Thought you'd retired. Domestic bliss on beryllium. That's the word among the dialects.
Not bad.
Oh, I see.
Burger was slightly overcooked, but not too bad. Taste is very good. Happy day to you.